Hello guys, today's video is a BBCraft unboxing and DIY. Now if that's interesting to you, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get this DIY project started. Once again family, today's video is a BBCraft unboxing and a DIY as well. Now you guys, it's been a while since you saw a BBCraft unboxing here on the channel, but we're bringing them back. We're going to bring you the same great quality of products as well. Now if you are a content creator and you would like to partner with BBCraft, I'm going to drop all that information down in my description box. The only requirement is you have 100 subscribers. Make sure you do click that information in the description. I'm also dropping the links for all of the items that I did receive. And to you guys, I'm showing you BeeBeeCraft.com website, and their site setup looks like this. Do make sure you go over and check them out. They also carry products from Create, Candleholders, INQUIRES, INQUIRES. They have like six sister sites. I'm sorry you guys, can't talk today, but they do have 6 sister sites. They specialize in all types of DIY and accessories, and if you're into jewelry making, you're gonna love this site. And 2, I'm just going to show you some of the items that I do like to purchase from BBCraft, and that is that mirrored mosaic tile. They do often carry it in different colors. They do carry it in different shapes, different sizes, and different styles. So make sure you do check that out as well. And if you love mirrored decor or accessories just as much as I do, just take a look at these. Don't forget, click that link. And also too, you guys, you do know I love that diamond rhinestone adhesive. You guys, it doesn't matter whether it's self-adhesive or the hot fix epoxy diamond rhinestone. That's the one shown here. I just like all things bling, sparkle, and shine. So just check out, and I'm going to include a link of some of my favorite items as well down in that description box, you guys. So do make sure you go over and check out BeeBeeCraft.com. Now you guys, let's get right back to the video. You guys, we're just cutting open the bag, and I'm being careful not to cut any of my product here. And let me tell you, I had to work to get this package open. This should be that mirror tile. And you guys, I tell you before, I always like to get my mirror tile because you get these larger sheets from BBCraft, and you get 4 sheets per pack for $15 and some change. And I do buy from Amazon as well, but I love BBCraft's mirror mosaic tile way better. And we cut that, and I'm gonna let you see. Now if you've been following me, you already know what this looks like. But for my new people, we do have some new people. Thank you guys for joining the family. Please continue to share the channel with your family and your friends. We're on that road to 50K, and we can make it together. And that's it. That's that mirror mosaic tile. And again, it is 4 sheets, and look at that, you guys. And if you are a mirror or a bling girl or any type of glam, mirror pieces does jazz up all of your items. But we did order 2 of those, and once again, there's 4 sheets in each pack. We are including the link down in the description, so please make sure you check that out. So we have 2 of those. Here we have one of these epoxy crushed diamond hot fix sheets, and it's self-adhesive as well. And it has the silver. Okay, this one is not. I'm sorry, you guys. This is not. This is just your regular hot fix sheet. So look at that, you guys. Can you say bling, sparkle, and shine? And to all of my new, because I did see that I do have a lot of new DIYers and crafters, you guys make sure you do hit that link and partner with BeeBeeCraft for some amazing products. I'm just your typical bling girl, but they have all types of accessories for creating DIYs and jewelry making as well. So do make sure y'all hit that link. So we do have one of those. We have one of, and this is the AB. And I am on a quest for getting more AB because I'm doing some projects for my mom, Mama Do. And she likes the bling, but she likes the AB. With the offset of the different colors that shows. So that's that, and it's also self-adhesive as well. Now the price and the link are down in the description, so please make sure you check that out. And last but not least, here is our silver bling. And if you know your girl, you know your girl. You're subject to see this on anything or anywhere. But this is that bling. Now with that being said, you guys, do make sure you check out BeeBeeCraft. All of the information is in my description. Now you guys, let's jump right into this BeeBeeCraft DIY. And you guys, for this DIY, I'm taking these Dollar Tree candlesticks. I'm going to include a clip. I actually spray painted them white. Now you guys, do make sure you do subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY and the Glam Queen of Decor. Now I'm using my BBCraft mirror mosaic tile and the diamond epoxy. I'm going to layer this candlesticks with these mirrors. So first things first, we're going to cut the mirrors, you guys. And if you haven't used mirror tiles, you guys, do make sure you use gloves or put something on your hands to protect it. Also on the bling wrap, make sure you cut that stripping around the bling wrap because it will show on your DIY crafts and project. So I'm just going to cut all of that off before I actually cut my strips to jazz up these candlesticks. And two guys, make sure you do come back because these candlesticks will be actually showcased in my bathroom, and I do have a bathroom update coming for you as well, so be on the lookout for that in a couple of days as well. Now I'm just measuring and cutting my row of this diamond rhinestone sheets. And you guys, the links for these diamond rhinestone sheets in this mirror mosaic tile is down in that description. But we did measurements beforehand, and as you can see here, I'm just showing you where I'm going to first add the mirror mosaic tile. We're going to put that on, and you guys make sure you do follow me along. And if you're new to the channel, thank you for becoming a part of the Glam Queen of DIY family. We love to have you here with us here on the Glam Queen of DIY. We do DIY home decor, DIY room decor, wall decor. We do DIY hacks, tips, and tricks. We create all types of glam DIY accessories. We do a little bit of renovations as well. Now, if all of that sounds interesting to you or someone you know, make sure you do subscribe. And if this sounds like something that'll be interesting to a friend or family, share the channel with them as well. And you guys, we are on that road to that 50K. We can climb that ladder easily if we do it together, but I do appreciate everyone's faithful, loyal love and support. And also to you guys, be on the lookout this month. We're going to power pack you out with creative DIY projects and DIY crafts for the month of May. You heard me right. You're going to be jam-packed. There will be some days you will get 2 DIYs, guys. But don't forget, make sure you do subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY and the Glam Queen of Decor. And now we're getting ready to add that diamond rhinestone self-adhesive sheet. And you guys, this DIY is just a jazz up upcycle. Make sure you do catch that bathroom tour. We're going to have quite a few surprises going on in that bathroom. But make sure you do catch the content we're releasing. And you're going to get a video every day this month, you guys. Because we're trying to release out the content. Because we got some other things going on here on the channel. We got to get you up to par for what we're bringing you. And in case I forgot, subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY and also the Glam Queen of Decor. Now we're going to just continue to dress this vase up, you guys. Make sure you do follow me along. And once again, thank you for continuing to watch the video. You guys always talk to me down in the comments and let me know what you think. Also give me some ideas that you would like to see me create here on the channel. And don't forget, if you would like to partner with BeeBeeCraft, that information is also down in the description. Now as we bring this home decor DIY project to a close, I hope I did give you some inspiration to recreate a item, just enhance and make it beautiful in your home. You do know we did make 3 of these. Drop me a comment if you're liking this DIY. Just talk to me in those comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor and the Glam Queen of DIY. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.